Niger, as well as other West African countries, particularly Burkina Faso, Mali, and Mauritania, have been affected during this year by food and nutritional crisis due to shortfall and drought in 2011. And now, starting from June, July, and August, we have a lot of flooding in Niger, which affecting the same people which are already affected by food crisis. I traveled to Niger from August 22nd to August 27. This heavy flooding over the past few weeks has killed up to 65 people and left more than 400,000 homeless in whole Niger in the area of Dosso, Zender, Tilaberi, and Agadez. When the flooding occur, they just have time to take blanket, some non-food item from their house and flee the flooding. Now they are homeless. They are living without food, without water, clean water, and children and women have nothing to eat, nothing to drink. Moreover, some of them are affected also by cholera outbreak